Hi, hello, my name is Alisa. I am 25 years old and I come from Costa Rica. And in this couple of minutes, I'll tell you about my love for learning languages and how I was able to improve my English to the point where I'm almost about to graduate from from master's program, which was all completely in English. So, if I look back, my biggest dream was to live abroad. I've always imagined myself in this like hypothetical scenarios where I had to speak with foreigners and I would try to imagine this dialogues of me asking questions on the street and so on. And every time that I had free time, I would go online and try to look for scholarships, for programs, for any sort of information. And I realized that basically all the programs that I was interested in required a high level English. So that is the reason why then I was like, okay, I have to improve my English. I have to. I found this program and I can say that thanks to Libor, I am now able to speak confidently in a much higher level than before. And it was specifically because, at the beginning, or I was like intermediate, but I was still getting quite overwhelmed by the amount of topics, by the amount of things that I thought that I still had to learn. And the way this program is designed, you follow it logically. It has this very clear structure where you're able to learn without getting lost, which was great. And also, this program has this completely different perspective where there's a lot of emphasis on your subconscious and how with your subconscious you are able to understand better, communicate better, practice your hearing, speaking, and overall, you're gonna feel much more confident in practice. So I recommend it. And as I said, now I am almost finishing my master's program, all completely in English. And I definitely want to keep on learning more, improving my English, yes. And also, I'm thinking about studying French, which is another language that I'm really curious about. And who knows, maybe I will go to France and I will study there as well. Okay, well, thank you for your time. Thank you.